जय हिंद जय भारत अंदरिकी नमस्ते अंडी यत्र नार्येस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवतः अन्नारु మనందరికీ తెలిసినట్టే ఎక్కడైతే మహిళలు పూజింపబడతారో ఎక్కడైతే మహిళలు గౌరవింపబడతారో అక్కడ తప్పకుండా సాక్షాత్ దేవతలు నివసిస్తారు అంటారు. అలాంటి గొప్ప సంస్కృతి ఉన్న మన దేశంలో మన భారతదేశంలో ఒక మహిళగా జన్మించడం నాకు చాలా గర్వంగా ఉంది. ఇది నా పూర్వజన్మ సుకృతం అని భావిస్తున్నానండి. ఇక ఇంట్రొడక్షన్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదామా? నా గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలని ఉందా? కమాన్. నేను మీ జ్యోతి దినకర్. I was born and brought up in a well-civilized farmer's family in one of the villages in Karnataka. మా ఊరి పేరు మురారాయనహళ్ళి ఇన్ కర్ణాటక. ఏంటి కన్నడ అమ్మాయి అనుకుంటున్నారా? Of course, yes. I am proud to be called as Kannadati. Of course, I am equally happy to be called as Andhra Kodalu. Yes. Thank you all the wonderful people in AP who made me happy. Yes. My father, Shri Gopalappa DR, a simple man but very high at his thoughts, a farmer by profession, and my mother, Mrs. Lakshmi, who is successful in bringing three wonderful human beings onto this earth. Yes, I have two brothers. పోట్లాడుకోవడానికి, ప్రేమను పంచుకోవడానికి, ఇమోషన్స్ షేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి. వన్ ఈజ్ ఎల్డర్, ద అదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ యంగర్. ఎల్డర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్, రాము. యంగర్ వన్ ఈజ్ రాజా, ఈజ్ ఇన్ టు ఎడ్యుకేషన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్. బోత్ లివ్స్ ఇన్ Bangalore. And third one, the queen, you know about me, I am Jyoti Dinakar. Yes. Coming back to my education, of course I have many things to add up into my resume. I have done quite a lot, but the real education is yet to start. I am an MSc, D.Ed, B.Ed graduate, successfully completed. And of course I was a mediocre student till my 12th standard. Not so good at studies. Later when I entered into my training sessions, teacher training sessions, I used to be the second topper, sometimes the first topper also. So there I gained the confidence. And coming to my profession, as in the beginning I told, I am a teacher by profession. So happy and proud as well. I have 12 solid years of experience in serving as a teacher to teach biology and English. Biology is my subject, English is my passion. I am a made English teacher. So that is about my profession. Of course, my profession has brought lot of laurels and achievements on my way. Presently, I am serving as a vice principal in LRG Public School in Indupur. It belongs to Anantapur district. And the institution has given me quite a good home, sweet home to stay in the quarters. I am staying there. And to add to your interest, I have also been in YouTube for conducting free and social, as a social initiation, I am conducting free YouTube biology classes for CBSE children. Because all these 12 years I am being teaching in almost all the boards of schools. I have taught in AP State Board schools, I have taught in Karnataka State Board schools, I have also taught to the students in CBSE and ICSE schools as well. So happy, quite a little bit of experience I have in teaching. And also wherever I go, sometimes in and around the country, I find my sweet little students who always cherish to meet me. I am happy with that. So thanks, a big thanks to all my dearest children who made me what I am today. So thank you so very much. And coming back to my role in today's society, as I told you, I am a daughter of parents, so I should be a good daughter to them first. God blessed parents to me. I am so happy, very special thing about my family, my parents is, they never had that simple line in bringing up between a boy and girl. They never felt that a boy should be brought up like this, a girl should be brought up like that, like that. So maybe that is what I am today. They never had any difference in bringing up a boy and a girl. Thanks to them, a salute to them. And those years, thinking of that high big is only my father could do. Very thankful to him from my bottom of my heart. And looking forward, and importantly, I being a citizen of this society, so much is there to give back, because society has kept me happy for what I am today. So I have lots of duties towards society to serve as much as possible. I am already doing it from the school side, making some changes, bringing up few differences in the life of students to reach their goals. I'm already doing it, but of course, having a platform like Impact, we can do it in a better way, I feel. Always look forward for the call of Gampa Nageshwara Rao sir for any social service that he needs from us. And interestingly, about my interests, I am called as a good singer. It's my habit of singing. I am also a good anchor. People say that because all these 12 years of my service in working schools, I've been anchoring many shows, and importantly, when Gampa sir had come to my school, I was an anchor. Without knowing anything, I did my MC part, Master of Ceremony, in front of him. That's my great blessing, I feel. And of course, I'm a good cook which has made me a good mother, wonderful wife. Because those two like eating. I prepare mostly things at home. We never go out for any snacks or something. So I'm a good cook. So looking forward for many such services from Impact. I am anytime, every time ready to give back to society as my part. Thank you so much all. Jai Hind.